c'est dégoûtant.
I don't know how to flip my phone. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make focaccia. Okay, so what you're going to need is 2.5 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 teaspoons of caster sugar, 1 1/3 cup of lukewarm water, 3.5 cups of plain all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, plus another 1/4 to 1/2 cup for the end, 2 teaspoons of salt, plus another teaspoon for the end as well, and your flavorings. For this one I did potato, chili and curry leaves, so you can use whatever you want. First things first. Okay, so first we're going to add 2.5 teaspoons of dried yeast to the bowl, and then the same of caster sugar, so 2.5 of that, and then 1 1/3 cups of warm water. Just mix that around. It's really lovely, isn't it? Just leave that for like 10 minutes. While we wait for old yeasty boy to foam up, I'm going to play some tunes. Measured out some flour, just plain flour, 3.5 cups. I'm going to measure out some olive oil as well, 1/4 cup. Okay, so when it's all foamy like this, that's when we can add the flour and the oil and the salt. You can tell I've done this a lot of times. And it's 2 teaspoons of salt. Oh yeah, that's lovely. So you just gotta keep going. We want it to become like a nice soft ball. If it doesn't come together like this at the start, you can just add more flour, like with another 1/4 cup. But this dough is looking pretty good. I guess a trick to know if it's ready is if you can stretch it out, kind of see a light through it, like a window. That's perfect. We're gonna spray another bowl, put the dough in, and then we're gonna cover it. You can use like a wet chucks or a tea towel, but I'm gonna just use cling wrap. And then we're gonna leave that to proof for like an hour until it doubles in size. It depends what the temperature is. So if you're in a hotter spot, it's going to go quicker. Whereas like if you're somewhere like Tassie, it's going to go a lot slower because it's colder. So next, you just choose what you want to put on top of the focaccia. Focaccia is cool because you can pretty much just put whatever you want on it. And so today I'm going to do potatoes and curry leaf, which isn't very tradish, but whatever. When I add potatoes to focaccia, I like to flash fry it first, so I slice it pretty thin, and then I've got olive oil heating up on the stove, and we're just gonna give it a little flash, like a blanch, and then we're gonna reuse this oil at the end to cook the curry leaves in, make it nice and spicy. That's lovely. After a couple of minutes it should be nice and soft. It's like partly cooked, so they can crisp up in the oven. This is our dough. It's really nice. We're gonna roll it out now. I kind of want to be gentle because it's just so nice. I don't want to hurt the dough. Then I have my little focaccia pan. You could just put oil in, but it's just so easy. We want to kind of gently pick it up. So a good way is to put it on the rolling pin, and then just kind of spread it all out to the edges, being super nice to it still. We're gonna cover it again. We want it to double in size again, maybe another hour, but just keep checking it.
1 hour later.
So now I'm gonna poke all these holes in it. This is the funnest part. Once it's all holy, I'm gonna lay out all these potatoes. Then we're gonna drizzle it in olive oil, sprinkle it with sea salt. I preheated the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, and then I'm gonna set a timer, 20 minutes. I'm gonna pick these curry leaves. I normally do like sage and tomato. I've never done this combo, but I think it's gonna be grouse. Gosh. So when there's like 5 minutes left, we turn back on the oil to heat it up, because that's what we're going to fry the curry leaves in and then pour over the top. And I decided to chop up a chilli as well. I'm going to grab my focaccia. Looks pretty good. A good way to see if it's cooked is if when you hit it, it sounds hollow. And then I'm gonna fry this. This Flavor Town. My curry leaves are so good. And we're gonna pour it over. Look at that. It's already quite a lot of oil, so I'm just gonna spoon the rest on. To finish it, just a little bit more sea salt. And there you have it. Curry leaf, chili and potato focaccia. What better way to spend isolation than with a bit of homemade focaccia? It's like everything you want. It's crunchy, soft in the middle, salty, oily.
Is it good?